Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to share design as a view only link in Adobe Express. First, search the new Express Adobe and open the first website shown here. Then click on Get Adobe Express Free provided here. Here you can continue with Google, Apple, or Facebook. For demonstration, I've continued with Google by choosing my Google account. Now you have to respond to the asked questions by choosing one option. It'll ask you what brings you along with your schooling. After that, it'll ask you about what you want to become along with the styles you like. Then you'll be welcomed to the homepage where you can see different designs. Choose any design and you can edit it on your own. If not, then simply click on the share button and hit the view only link. After that, don't allow others to use the link. Then hit the create a link button and copy the link that'll be provided to you. Now you can share the link with anyone, or you can try by pasting it in the new tab. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.